Week 16, episode 29, Sunday. So today I'm ripping timber for the crown plate on a 4-degree angle. The reason I need to do this is because the rake wall is at 4 degrees and I can't use, because I'm not using timbers for the rafters, for the actual roof joists. Instead, it's going to be an insulated panel which I can't cut birdsmouth into. My only choice really is to cut 4 degrees off the top of the crown plate on the front wall and the back wall. Then I will put a birdsmouth into the crown plate on the side walls, so that I'll get the top, actually the whole top crown plate at 4 degrees. So I've set up this outfeed from my table saw and an infeed from the table saw. Table saw is set at 4 degrees. So I will push the timber through twice. Once like that. Then I'll reset these fences, turn it over, cut the other side off. What that will do is mean that my timber will have a 4 degree cut on it. So you can just see there, that will give me a 4 degree come out here when I finish. So that when this crown plate, this will be the crown plate sitting on the front wall and the back wall. So that will be sitting like that, and the roof can sit flush, and that 4 degree on the front wall and the back wall of the crown plate will follow the 4 degrees of the sidewall. So hopefully this works and I can actually push the timber all the way through the infeed, the table saw and the outfeed and get what I need. Let's see if it works. So, that works. My first pass through at 4 degrees. I've got 7.6 metres, 5x2, and about 7.6 metres, 4x2 for the crown plate. Problem now is, that worked for the first pass, but the second pass, which I need to do that way up, I can't angle the blade the other way. The blade would only go that way. So there's not much I can do really. I need it to go 4 degrees that way, but it doesn't. I could try and somehow angle this, but I don't think that'll work. So I think the other option is turn this way up. Try and set that on 4 degrees and cut through that. But I'll never be able to balance that at the right angle. So I think the only option I've got is to go old school and cut the bottom off of all sort of 16 metres with a handsaw. So that's going to take a while, but that's it. It's good to go old school for a while and cut off the bottom with that. See you when that's done. See you 16 metres later.